Kayak. Two kayaking person there. How come they are empty there?
Don't use your phone. Use two hands.
They go together.